Hello everyone. This is Bamboo Curry from Unit 1. Okay, we are continuing our Unit 1 and this is the part, a short story about Bamboo Curry. Okay, so let's begin. Before we start, I would like to question one thing. Have you ever eaten a curry which is made from bamboo? Okay, स्ट्रेंज लाइन बिकॉज वेन वी कॉल अ बाम्बू हमारे जो इमेज है इमेजिनरी में कुछ अलग ही आता है बिकॉज बाम्बू स्टिक जो होती है वो बहुत ही हार्ड होती है. हाउ वी कैन ईट इट. ओके, सो लेट्स लर्न अबाउट इट इन दिस चैप्टर दैट हाउ अ बाम्बू करी मेड. ओके, सो हियर द स्टोरी इज गिवन दैट one day the mother-in-law
Bamboo curry. One day, the mother-in-law of a Santal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her.
One day the mother-in-law on Santal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him. Okay, one day क्या हुआ, जो bridegroom means क्या होता है, on a wedding day, a man on a wedding day, उसको हम बोलते हैं bridegroom. Man on his wedding day or just after his wedding, जो few events होती है उस इवेंट तक हम उसको bridegroom कहते हैं on its wedding day. Because we can also call is दूल्हा in हिंदी. Okay, so जो न्यूली मैरिड ब्राइडग्रूम था, ओके, तो मदर इन लॉ ने उसके लिए एक स्पेशल डिश बनाई. ओके, मदर इन लॉ मेड अ स्पेशल डिश फॉर हिम व्हेन ही वेंट टू विजिट हर. जब वो उसको उसके घर उससे मिलने गया तब मदर इन लॉ ने उसके लिए एक स्पेशल डिश बनाई. ओके,
This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door.
This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Okay, now the curry that made by mother-in-law, okay, bridegroom जो है उसको कड़ी बहुत ही delicious लगी, बहुत ही tasty लगी. He asked like, wow, it is delicious. What is it? ये क्या है? Okay, उसने पूछा because it's so tasty. So he asked about it. What is this? So the mother-in-law pointed like this toward the door. जो उसका जो door था which is made from bamboos. Okay, so bamboos का बना door था तो उसने उस bamboo की तरफ point किया. Okay, like this. She might thought that he will understand because this is the famous dish there. Okay, she might thought that he will understand if I pointed toward the bamboo, then he will understand this is made from the bamboo. Okay, so but the things are different. Let's learn it further. Let's see it further. Okay, so when he pointed towards the mother-in-law pointed towards the door which is made from the bamboo. Okay, so the bridegroom thought that it is made from the bamboo door. Okay,
Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village.
so next is next morning, just as he about to leave. Next morning, just as he about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. Okay, now the dish is tasty. Even nowadays हमें भी होता है ना कि अगर हमें कोई कहीं पे जाए है, कहीं पे भी जाते, if go somewhere and we tasted some different tea and which is very tasty, तो हम घर पे हमारे elders को या तो मम्मी को बोलते हैं, मम्मी ये डिश मुझे भी बना दो, right? Because it is quite tasty. तो जो ये bridegroom है, he also wanted to eat this dish again. Okay, and जो जैसे ही in the next morning when he was about to leave, जैसे ही वो विलेज छोड़ के जा रहा था अपने विलेज में, he thought that कि in his village there was no bamboo. उसके विलेज में तो कोई बाम्बू है ही नहीं. ओके, उसने ऐसा सोचा कि मेरे विलेज में तो बाम्बू है ही नहीं. Now how can I make this bamboo curry? So next he think.
So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him, left for his home.
So he removed the door and carrying it with him and left for his home. Okay, so he removed the door and carrying it with him and left for his village. Next क्या किया उसने कि जो bamboo door था, he thought that in his palace there was no bamboo trees, there was no bamboo door. So उसने क्या किया, वो bamboo door तो उसको ही remove करके he just carrying and left for his home, अपने घर की ओर निकल पड़ा. Okay, with the bamboo door. So
On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door."
next is on reaching his village. On reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. Make curry with this bamboo door. Now when he reached at his home, he just gave that door to his wife. Make a bamboo curry from this bamboo door. ओके ऐसे उसने अपनी वाइफ को बोला कि मुझे ये बाम्बू डोर में से बाम्बू कड़ी बना दो. सो नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपेंड, लेट्स सी.
She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door?
Next is she was shocked. How can I make curry out of this bamboo door? Okay, she was like, she was shocked that how can I make curry out of a bamboo door. Okay, this is really strange for his wife. उसकी वाइफ के लिए बहुत ही शॉक था. शॉक मीन्स समथिंग विच इज सरप्राइजिंगली कुछ होता है तो हम शॉक हो जाए. इट आइदर वुड बी नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव ऑल्सो. ओके, तो जो है वो शॉक हो गई कि हाउ कैन आई मेक कड़ी फ्रॉम दिस बाम्बू डोर. मैं ये बाम्बू डोर में से कैसे कड़ी बनाऊंगी. शी वॉज सो शॉक्ड when her husband told him to make bamboo curry from the bamboo door. Okay, next.
Come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboo.
Next, he said, come, I'll help you by chopping up bamboos. Okay, come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboos. He said, okay. तो जैसे उसकी वाइफ शॉक हो गई, हर हस्बैंड वाज लाइक इन अ वेरी हेल्पफुल वे. ही सेड लेट मी गिव, आई विल चॉप द बाम्बूज फॉर यू. ओके, फिर उसने क्या किया, बाम्बू को चॉप करके उसकी वाइफ को दे दिया. ही चॉप द बाम्बूज एंड गिव इट टू हिज वाइफ. नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपेंड, ऑब्वियसली शी ट्राइड इट आउट लाइक
he said. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook."
his wife boiled it and boiled it. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It's too hard. It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." Okay? क्या बोला, जैसे ही उसके when he chopped that bamboos, उसने उसकी वाइफ ने क्या किया, he boiled that bamboo, boiled it and boiled it. Okay, काफी टाइम तक उसने वो bamboos को boil किया. And when her husband take some portion of it and tasted it, it's too hard. उसके हस्बैंड को क्या लगा, बहुत ही हार्ड लगा. And he was like, don't you know how to cook? It's too hard to eat. Okay, so
his wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it.
His wife added more water. His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. Okay, फिर क्या किया, उसकी वाइफ ने अगेन से थोड़ा पानी ऐड किया. अगेन she started boiled and boiled, but bamboos are too hard. It will never be smooth. It will never be soft. Okay, so still too hard, I can't eat it. Okay, her husband was like, it's still too hard, I can't eat it. ये अभी भी इतना हार्ड है, मैं खा नहीं सकता. Okay, so next something has happened like
the in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?"
That in the in-laws, okay, from he firstly tasted this dish, that in-laws come to visit the young couples. Okay, the in-laws came to visit the young couple. That evening they all laughed at this foolishness. They all laughed at this foolishness. And the mother-in-law said, didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot? The curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from the bamboo door. Okay? जो at the same evening जो उसके in-laws है that came to visit the young couple. ये जो young couple है उसके घर आए थे visit के लिए. Okay? And they all laughed after seeing that they all laughed at this foolishness. Foolishness, that means we can say a stupidity, something that happens stupidly, something or someone do something stupidly. Okay, so we can say it a foolishness. So they all laughed at this situation, that foolishness. Okay, और जो in-laws है, he told that don't you know this curry is made from the bamboo shoot and not from the bamboo door. Now what is bamboo shoot? So bamboo shoots क्या होता है? We can say a baby bamboos. Okay, when it's जो baby bamboos इतने छोटे छोटे होते हैं. Okay, इतने छोटे होते हैं और बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होते हैं. Okay, baby bamboos जो होते हैं उसको कहते हैं baby bamboo shoots. तो जो बाम्बू कड़ी होती है वो बाम्बू शूट में से बनती है. ओके, सो दिस इज स्टूपिड थिंग्स हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ उसको कड़ी और बाम्बू कड़ी का नॉलेज नहीं था. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपन. सो हियर इट इज द पिक्चर ऑफ बाम्बू शूट. यू कैन सी हियर. दिस इज ऑल्सो बाम्बू शूट विच इज peeled. And we can make many dishes from the bamboo shoot like this.
आभार.